I'm going to explore the enduring influence of Greek mythology in modern culture. These ancient myths, more than just old tales, continue to shape our art, literature, and even our understanding of the world. Greek mythology, a rich tapestry of gods, heroes, and monsters, has been a source of inspiration for centuries. Its themes of heroism, adventure, and the human condition resonate deeply, influencing countless works of literature and art. For example, the epic tales of Hercules and Odysseus have been retold in numerous forms, from classical paintings to modern movies. Moreover, Greek mythology extends its influence beyond the arts. It has shaped modern language, with many English words and expressions originating from these ancient stories. Additionally, these myths have provided a framework for understanding human psychology, notably through the work of Freud and Jung, who often used mythological figures to explain complex psychological concepts. In conclusion, the impact of Greek mythology is not confined to the past. It is a living, breathing part of modern culture. Its timeless stories and characters continue to inspire, entertain, and enlighten us, proving that these ancient tales are as relevant today as they were millennia ago. Today, I am excited to share the inspiring story of Amelia Earhart, a trailblazing aviator whose courage and determination broke barriers in the sky and paved the way for future generations. Her story goes beyond her achievements in aviation. It's a testament to the power of ambition and resilience. Amelia Earhart was not only the first female aviator to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean, but she also set numerous flying records and championed the advancement of women in aviation. Her 1932 solo transatlantic flight was a remarkable feat that challenged the prevailing norms of her time and showcased her exceptional skills and bravery. Despite facing numerous obstacles, including societal expectations and technical challenges, Earhart remained undeterred. Her pioneering spirit was evident in her tireless efforts to promote aviation and women's rights, making her a role model and an icon of empowerment. Tragically, Earhart's quest to circumnavigate the globe in 1937 ended in mystery, but her legacy endures. She remains an enduring symbol of adventurous spirit and perseverance, inspiring countless individuals to chase their dreams, no matter how insurmountable they may seem. Amelia Earhart's life story is more than an aviation tale. It's a narrative about breaking barriers and redefining possibilities, encouraging us all to soar to new heights. Today, I'm excited to shed light on the often overlooked yet vital role of microbes in our ecosystem and health. Microorganisms, though invisible to the naked eye, play an essential role in maintaining the balance of life on Earth. Microbes, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi, are everywhere, in soil, water, air, and even within our bodies. In the environment, they are crucial for processes like decomposition and nutrient cycling, essentially recycling life's essential elements. For instance, soil microbes break down organic matter, releasing nutrients that plants need to grow. In our bodies, microbes contribute significantly to our health. The human microbiome, the collection of all microorganisms living in and on our bodies, is essential for digestion, protecting against pathogens, and even regulating our immune system. Recent studies have shown that a diverse microbiome is linked to better health and can prevent certain diseases. In conclusion, microbes, despite their small size, have a colossal impact on our world and our health. Understanding and appreciating their role helps us realize the intricate connections between all forms of life. In this presentation, I am excited to share with you the surprising benefits of dark chocolate on health. Often considered a guilty pleasure, dark chocolate, in reality, offers a variety of health advantages when consumed in moderation. Dark chocolate, rich in cocoa, is packed with antioxidants, specifically flavonoids. These compounds are known for their role in reducing heart disease risk by improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular consumption of small amounts of dark chocolate can benefit cardiovascular health. Moreover, dark chocolate also positively affects brain health. Research suggests that the flavonoids in dark chocolate may improve cognitive function, enhance mood, and even provide neuroprotective effects. This makes it not just a treat for the palate, but also for the mind. Dark chocolate is more than just a dessert. Its health benefits, from improving heart health to boosting brain function, make it a delightful addition to a balanced diet. So next time you savor a piece of dark chocolate, know that it's not just indulging your taste buds but also contributing to your well-being. In this presentation, I'm excited to delve into the revolutionary role of antibiotics in modern medicine. The discovery of antibiotics marked a turning point in medical history, drastically changing the way we treat infections. Before the advent of antibiotics, simple infections could be deadly, and surgeries were high-risk procedures. The introduction of penicillin in the 1940s, discovered by Alexander Fleming, changed everything. It became the first widely used antibiotic, turning once fatal diseases into treatable conditions. Antibiotics have not only saved countless lives but also have played a critical role in advancing medical procedures. They made complex surgeries safer and organ transplants possible by preventing and treating bacterial infections. However, it's crucial to address the growing concern of antibiotic resistance due to overuse and misuse. This highlights the importance of responsible antibiotic use and ongoing research for new treatments. In conclusion, antibiotics are a cornerstone of modern medicine, dramatically improving our ability to fight infections. Their discovery and development remind us of the incredible impact of medical research and innovation.